Volleyball is a very widely played sport amongst men and women. People play volleyball in order to enjoy it and for competition. In volleyball, the object of the game is to score points on the other team so that you win, just like any other game. Well, in volleyball, you serve the ball, it goes over the net. Then, the other team bumps the ball, sets it, and spikes it back onto the other side of the net in hopes that it goes straight to the ground to where the other team cannot pick it up. If the other team picks it up, they simply bump it up, set it, and spike it back. If it hits the ground, then they receive a point while the other team receives nothing. Once all the rallies go, somebody gets to 25, and that's the winner. Now, in the game of volleyball, you have to win by 2. And if, say, it's 24-25, the game's not over just because it's at 25. Being that you have to win by 2, that means the game would go to 24-26. Or if the other team catches a point and it's 25-25, you go until it's 25-27, until somebody has won by 2 points. Once the winner is announced, that's the end of the game, and hopefully they get a prize for it. You know, everybody wants a prize. Well, I played volleyball for both a school team and a travel team, and the school team was for fun, while the travel team was for competition in hopes of getting a scholarship to play. For school, girls simply looked cute. They wore their cute little hair ribbons, their socks that matched their uniforms, and everybody, of course, loves the spandex that volleyball girls wear, guys included. Well, you generally see all this at a school game, but not at competitive games. At tournament games, it's nothing but girls. There's sweat everywhere. There's balls flying everywhere. It's fighting, arguing. Sometimes there's blood. Anything to get the win in order to get a scholarship. The rules are the same for tournament ball than it is for high school ball, simply because generally high school is just a practice for the tournaments, and many travel teams actually do use high school ball for that. In volleyball, everybody is used to hitting the floor, hitting the balls, running into each other. It's kind of like football, actually, how hard you hit each other. Then everybody wants the win. Well, tournaments generally last all day long, sometimes even 2 days, just for the competitiveness. But at the end of the day, every single girl is simply there for that one amazing bump, that one amazing set, and that one amazing spike that wins the game for their entire team.